Hey everyone, Rob here with GreysFits. Welcome. Today we're going to go working on our lower back. If you have lower back pain, issues with your sciatic nerve, or maybe you're just looking for some exercise recovery, maybe you did deadlifts or a pretty hardcore core workout, a lot of these are going to benefit for you. So first, we're going to place the 5-inch GreysFits massage ball above our hip bone to the right of our spine. From there, we're going to lay back, gently lay back, lean onto your left shoulder, and raise your hips slightly off the ground. From here, you're going to find what almost feels like a gap and a trigger point to the left, to the right of your spine and just above your hip. We're just going to hold that ball on there. Relax, take a deep breath in. Exhale, let the hips sink down to the floor. And we're just going to hold on there. You're going to feel your spine releasing. One important thing that we need to note is do not roll over the spine itself. So you're going to hold this for maybe 60 seconds to 2 minutes, however long you decide, but definitely at least a minute. From here, we're going to lean back onto our left shoulder, position the ball up slightly higher, and we're just going to roll back and forth, side to side. Basically what we're doing is just massaging our lower back muscles. See, I'm going to notice I'm working myself down, and then back up. So you're going to do that for another 1 to 2 minutes. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. You'll get a little better view here, as I said before, just above your hip bone to the left of your spine. Raise those hips off the floor. Find that trigger point. Inhale. And exhale those hips down. You're going to repeat that breathing process. We're just going to massage back and forth. You're going to hold this for 1 to 2 minutes. And we're going to place that ball slightly higher. The same thing, back and forth, side to side. This could also be done against the wall if the weight of your body is putting too much pressure on it or you're uncomfortable with that. What you can do is you can do that same exact sequence with your back against the wall. Also tying in with our lower back is we're going to have to work our hips, especially if you're having sciatic nerve problems. The piriformis, which is just above your glutes, can sometimes help, will help with sciatic relief. So what we're going to do is place that ball just above our glutes. We're going to take that leg that the ball is under, cross it over the other, and you're going to roll back and forth until you find that tender spot, and you're going to feel it, you'll know. And we're just going to hold it on there and release. Hold it and release. So you may hear people talking about doing this exercise with a softball. If you can do this with a softball, I give you credit, because that's rough. Softball is very hard. The GreysFits massage ball is a little softer, so it's not going to really tear you up too bad, but it's also dense enough to where you're going to get a nice deep massage with it. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Leg up, and back, and forth. And you're going to hold it on that trigger point. And this is going to help with opening up your hips, sciatic relief. If you do a lot of exercise, you're going to be very tight. And this can also give you lower back relief. Alright, next we're going to work the same area. Land on the ground. We're going to put that ball in the same spot we just had it. And we're going to straighten this leg out. We're going to extend our knee to our chest. If you're not feeling it, move it around. Find that spot. Essentially, you're on your piriformis and your glutes. You're going to want to hit maybe 15 to 20 of these on each side. After that, we're just going to roll our glutes, our butt muscles. Notice I'm working it from the middle all the way out to the outer side of my hip. You're going to start feeling a lot of tenderness in the outer portion of your hip. So what I'm doing here is I have my back leg back, right arm down, this knee slightly bent, and I'm just rolling back and forth. And then side to side. And you're going to repeat this process on the opposite side as well. Next, we're going to move to the wall. I'm going to show you the similar massage movements on the wall as well. So similar to what we were just working on the floor, we're going to use the GreysFits 5-inch massage ball against the wall as well for our lower back. So we're going to place that ball on your lower back just to the left of your spine. From there, we're going to have our chest up tall, feet hips shoulder width apart. What we're going to do is pretty much wall squat ourselves down. And we're going to pushing ourselves against the wall. And you're going to want to go up as high as feels good for you, typically up to your mid-back. So you're going to roll that out for a few minutes. Next, we're going to work from the bottom, side to side. As we're going side to side, we're going to inch that ball up our back. And then back up. Now we're going to repeat that on the opposite side as well. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. For more instructional videos, check us out at GreysFits.com. Also, if you'd like to purchase some of our products, you can do that as well on our website. Thanks again.